Here is another new feature. Now you can set colors to brush button. I already created several brush buttons. I added brush action to 3 of them, but I will show you at first from scratch. If you edit a button and assign a brush, you will notice advanced action settings appear. If you expand this, you can set foreground and background colors. So let's pick here as white for the white button, and let's set background to black. Okay, let's set this one to black. For background to white. Okay, and for gray I want only foreground color to change to gray. Okay, and for complementary, I don't know, maybe I want blue and orangish, and click OK. So now if you have some colors, for white button I set white and black. If I click, it chooses the brush and sets colors to white and black. If I select black, we set the opposite, it just sets black and white. Complementary, it sets blue and orange. And for gray, I didn't set background, I set only foreground, so when I click, it changes only foreground to gray. For icons, I also changed so it would be easier to use custom color and the default Photoshop picker. So I will set here to white icon. This one I want to be black. And this one I want to be gray. So now you have white, black, gray, and complementary buttons. You can also set the color here. That's it. Thank you.